Hey guys, it is me, Matt here, also known as Newton, and today I'm showing you guys how to do basic collisions in GameMaker Studio. So, let's get right into this video. You have to watch the previous video of the GameMaker Basics movement, which I did as a second one. Be sure to watch that because you need that for this video, but it's very minor. So let's start by creating a new sprite. We're going to call this obj player, no SPR player. We're going to edit sprite and just going to make it width 32 and height 32. Let me just set my transparency back. Okay, we're just going to fill this in with this color we've already got. It's a nice blue sort of color. Well no, I'll make it as red so you guys can follow it along, and we're just going to center that and save it. Now we're going to create a new object, and it's going to be called obj player, and we're going to assign the player sprite to that. Now after that, we're going to add a new event. We are going to go in the step event, and then we're just going to drag over some code. So now we're just going to make some movement code. So we're going to put a comment here, which you can do by putting 2 slashes, 3 slashes, just have it showing here, but which we'll do there. So if we go here, we can see it says movement. So now we're just going to type in our movement code. So I'll just speed this up and you can copy it after, once I've finished typing it. So guys, there you go, there is the code for your movement. You can just copy this down quickly as we've already done this in another video, so you can just copy this down. Oh wait, I'll leave it there for a minute. You can pause it and just copy this code. So now we're just gonna test this. We're gonna make a room 640 by 480. Gonna zoom in a bit, and we're just gonna leave the room speed at 30. Gonna place our player somewhere in the room and just click this tick. Now we're gonna play our game and just see if the movement works. So let me just move my cursor. So all the movement works fine, as you can see. There you go. We can just close that and click save. So now let's get on to the main part of the video. So what we're going to have to do now is just create another sprite called SPR wall. You can call this whatever you want, but I'm going to keep it SPR wall for now. I'm going to zoom in here. Going to make a wall. What should we make our wall color? Let's go for solid dark black. Oh, no, dark black. I meant grey. I'm just going to not center that. Don't center this, otherwise it'll mess up a lot. And then we're just going to click save and save our game. Then we're just going to create a new object, which you can click this sphere, or you can just right click, create object, and we're going to call this obj wall. Okay, there you go. So there's actually many ways of doing collisions in GameMaker. One of the main, so the one we're going to use for now, for just this little part, is the normal GameMaker one, which is the solid. You can just make one of the objects a solid, and then you just have to add an event with the player, which you just do add event, collision, then you click obj player. Now you just drag in some code and you just say collide. And there's the first method. So let me just add some walls into the room like this. How should I do this? Let's make it like this. L. There you go. Okay, now we're just going to tick that, save it, see if this works. So, let's play our game. And now if you go into the wall, it works. But the only problem is, as you can see, it's not precise, the collisions. So what you have to do to solve that, just close your window, go back to the top, and then you go onto your SPR player, just click precise collision checking. Like that, full image. Now you click OK for everything. Now, when you play a game, it should be more accurate. So let me just find a wall. It's not accurate, as you can see. So that is one of the main problems with this method. It isn't accurate. That's the only problem this has. So if we test our game again, you can see there's nothing we can do to actually make it accurate because the precise collision checking doesn't actually do anything, which is really annoying. So if we just modify that precise, automatic, and just click OK, that's a really annoying problem you can get. So another way you can solve this, another way you can do collisions is we're just going to untick solid, just delete this. I'm just going to tick that, save it. Now we're just going to go into our OBJ player object, and then we're just going to add some more code into the step event. So we're just going to say collisions. So what we're going to do is if place meeting x plus 1 and y and obj wall, just going to add some curly braces and tab that, and then we're going to say x minus equals 1. So what this code does here says if this object meets with the obj wall object with +1 from the current x coordinate and y, we will send it left 1. This is if we meet the wall right, or +1 pixels of the right of this object. So now if we play our game and collide with it from the right, it should send us back to the left. Oh, dodgy. See, oh, there you go. Does work, just not very well, because you can just go right through it. So that is a problem with our movement. So to solve that, just say and place 3, what you're going to say x plus 1, because you want to check if it's 3x plus 1, and y. I'm gonna save that, play our game, and it should work now if you collide with the right. As you can see, it does actually work, just doesn't work too well. So you might want to do it like -2. Yeah, we'll do that. Okay, now if we play our game, should work. Ooh. So it does work very badly. So that's basic collisions. So the method that was used before, I would use in a game, but there's loads more tutorials you can use. This is just a basic tutorial of what you have to do. So we'll just delete that collision code and delete all of this. So there is one final method you could do. This is a basic method you can do. So what you can do is just tick uses physics and modify the collision shape, which you don't need to do because we centered it, which is always good. And click OK, save our game, go into OBJ wall and tick uses physics on the OBJ wall object. And we're just going to tick box for the collision shape and just go onto the collider. So as you can see here, it's not very accurate, so we can just adjust this so it looks fine for our uses and the collision. So we're going to change the density to 0, so so the different densities will mean how easy it is to push each other. So if it's 0, it will be very hard compared to the player object, which is 0.5. So it's quite a big difference actually there. So all we want to do is actually after that add new event, OBJ player. I'm just going to add control, and I'm just going to say collide, and there you go. So that's the basic. This is the third one. The only last thing we have to do is just tick room is physics world and just make that 0, the gravity. So we're just going to tick that and click play. So now if we play our game, you can see it doesn't actually work because the movement hasn't been adjusted to the physics. This is a thing that only works in GameMaker. I think I covered this in our last video. You can do movement with physics, you just have to adapt it. I think I covered that in my last video. So all you have to do is add feed position and then underscore y or x. So you can just pause it, copy it, there you go. So if we tick it, click OK, tick, play our game, we will be able to move now and collisions work. So the pixels work, they're pixel perfect collisions. The only problem is we rotate, which all we have to do to solve that is just go into our step event, add fixed rotation equals true. This will just mean if the physics is on, it will have a fixed rotation and it doesn't turn. So if I play my game now, this game now, not mine quite, it is mine I guess. So as you can see now, we have pixel perfect collisions. It's great, isn't it? So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, subscribe, like, and just do that to support my channel. And I will see you guys all in the next video. Have a good day, guys. Goodbye.